CTV Morning Live, on location.
I'm at Goodwill in Beacon Heights this morning, and I'm joined back once again, Doug. Hi, Doug.
I'm back.
Now, of course, it's spring right now, and as we look ahead to warmer weather, spring fashion is top of mind.
That's right, and the warm weather finally upon us, thank goodness. But at Goodwill, we're not for profit, so you don't have to pay for GST, so you're saving all kinds of money and for spring fashion. And as I bring in some models, we're going to start with Natalia. You have the sundress, you have the high heels, you have the black purse, all for under $30. And that's just not the only outfit. As Alexandra comes in, also again under $30, and all the pinks match together. The purse matching with that long dress, absolutely stunning and perfect again for the warm weather. Asta's gonna join us here in a second, and we talk about sauce. Yeah. This is sauce. And again, you have 4 combined items, including the shoes, the dress, and the glasses, and the purse, all for under $30. And Deanna showcases her final style, and again, all outfits combined under $30. So unbelievable pricing for this.
It really is. In this economy, this is the type of fashion budget that we really need. Now, of course, there's so many items at Goodwill. Are there any tips on how to shop?
The basic tip is everybody has a different body type, and every item is absolutely unique because it's based on the donations of this wonderful community of Calgary. So the best advice is to hunt. Spend a day and look for your body type, your eye color, skin tone, you name it, but you got to find the right spot or right outfit for your body type.
So the key is patience. Thanks so much, Doug.
Thank you.
Now, of course, 13 locations here in Calgary of Goodwill, with 2 new locations in Evanston and Royal Oak. For more information on Goodwill, you can always visit goodwill.ab.ca.